Hello everyone, welcome to the next section of the course, Nova Compute Service. This section covers topics such as Nova architecture and exam objective, which starts with managing key pairs and flavors. Then we will learn to launch, access snapshot, and manage instance and its states. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with Nova, the compute orchestrator. In this video, we are going to explore about the Nova, introduction and definition. Then we will get an overview on compute orchestrator and Nova architecture. Nova is the OpenStack compute service. It is designed to manage and automate pools of compute resources and work with a variety of existing virtualization technologies. The Nova service is the heart of the OpenStack cloud. It is a collection of daemons that work to orchestrate availability of compute resources, leveraging virtualization features that have been running on Linux machines for years. Nova works with a variety of existing hypervisor technologies, including QEMU, KVM, QEMU, Hyper-V, VMware, ESXi, Xen, and Xen Server. It also supports the ability to leverage existing Linux container technologies such as LXC and Docker. When one boots an instance, Nova leverages available CPU, memory, and disk resources on compute nodes. In a production OpenStack environment, a customer may have anywhere from 5 to 5,000 compute nodes hosting virtual machine instances. This diagram shows a high-level Nova architecture. It is made up of 6 daemons. First is Nova API. It is the primary gateway to Nova and is used to create, list, delete, and manage instances. Another daemon is Nova Scheduler, which evaluates and filters all available compute hosts to determine the best compute node for an instance you'd like to boot. The behavior of Nova Scheduler can be modified based on specific characteristics, such as CPU architecture or a specific location in the data center. Next daemon is Nova Conductor, a database broker that directly connects to the OpenStack environment's relational database. All database communication goes through Nova Conductor. Nova NOVNC proxy daemon provides serial console access to Nova instances via a VNC client or web browser. Nova Console Auth receives requests from Nova NOVNC proxy to authorize a user's token and maps the private host and port of an instance's VNC server. Out of 6, the last daemon is Nova Compute. It manages virtual machines on the hypervisor. In OpenStack, the term booting is used to refer to the creation of a virtual machine. A virtual machine booted with Nova is often called an instance. To boot an instance with Nova, one would typically provide a desired glance image and Nova flavor. A Nova flavor is a previously provisioned profile of the CPU, memory, and local disk desired. In this video, we learned Nova as the compute orchestrator, along with its architecture.